Okay, we're live.
We're live, yay! Your hat, sir?
I'm gonna put on my gloves.
Gloves are good. Hello, Boomba. Sitting on your chair.
Okay, so you're gonna do some more scraping? Is that what you got planned? Or
Well, that's
sanding?
what I've got some scraping planned. I'm just gonna make sure, yeah, I got a blade in there. Just gonna make sure these decals are off.
Yep. Okay.
So, welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, everybody. Wife is feeling better.
I am.
So we're gonna start hitting this again. And there was a comment, and he is very correct. When you are doing the sanding, you want to pretty much make a 45 degree or like an X pattern. So like you said, you don't put in finger marks when you're sanding. So that is a very good call on his part, and I forgot to mention it. So we're just going to start hitting this again, start cleaning these parts up. As you can see, the wife is trying to scrape off the decals because we haven't found that
rotary tool
decal remover deal to actually do the job that it was intended for.
Yep, the quickness of it.
Yep, so we're just giving her the best we can with what we got. So that's where we're at right now. Just trying to get this all done so that we can get this stuff prepped and ready for the primer. So we're going to be going into the shop, doing a bunch of work this coming in December. So that's going to be fun and interesting. So what I'm going to do is bring in like the hood, the doors, the hood and the fenders, and front rad support for the Trans Am, get those in, get some sanding done and all that stuff, same with the Impala, so that we can get that stuff ready to go. So looking forward to that. Because the more we can get done on that machine, the better.
Bring the camera when we go to the shop, hey?
We probably should, because I can get a bunch of sanding and stuff done. Thing is, it's loud, but we'll see how it goes.
Well, even if we get a little bit of video of you doing some body work or some prep or something.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, it doesn't have to be both of us. It's not like I can, hold the hood for you.
It's coming off pretty nice, people.
Is it? Oh
yeah,
it's looking pretty good.
I will have to bring these in. Bob's going to be going on vacation.
Yeah, because he's a snowbird.
Yep. So he's heading to
Arizona, is it?
Arizona for a month. I was wishing that they built luggage big enough for me, the wife, and the dog. Because
there isn't luggage big enough for you.
No, it would have been nice. Because they are driving down.
Yeah, there isn't carry-on big enough for you.
No. I do take up some space.
Definitely not compact.
No.
Well, hello. What are you
We've
doing?
actually had a nice few days, which has been incredible, because we got, what was it, Wednesday?
Yeah.
Wednesday was minus 35.
Yeah, without wind chill. That
Without
was
wind
just
chill.
temperature, minus 35. I'm not built for cold.
I'm not built for that kind of cold.
No. I have a hard enough time at minus 6.
Yep.
Are you bored with your bone now or what? Yeah?
She's sniffing my feet, the little domino. Hello? You don't have opposable thumbs. You can't get anything done.
Nothing.
You tried. It was beneath you.
Oh, you want to come sit? No, you're gonna hit a roll. Okay, well I've deduced that this place sucks. I think it's an old one.
I think it is too.
So we'll just remove that. This one looks pretty new. It's got a little bit of decal on it, so it might have been used, but place it.
Then gonna have to figure out where we can order up the full decal package for these cars.
Yeah.
Because, well, you needs it.
Well, it's kind of hard to be a Trans Am without the Trans Am decals, you know, the
Yep.
Phoenix and the Fire Chicken, Firebird, sorry, whatever you want to call it. Plus,
Yep.
you know.
Yeah, we need the Trans Am for the back and then all this gold pinstriping.
And it looks so cool in that paint. There is that gold flex, and it is gold.
Yep. That'll be fun trying to put that decal package on. Holy moly.
Oh my. It's not like it's a little model.
No.
No. No. Will definitely be a challenge.
Yeah. I just hope we can get her done in once. If you have any ideas, have you guys done that or watched somebody? Maybe you have to look at some videos of people putting that on, because man, that sounds intriguing.
Yeah, just decals in general.
Yeah.
I mean,
you know, decals I can do, did that at Capital Motors, but I mean, this is kind of a whole, this is a whole nother monster, this.
Yeah, that it is.
Trying to do the 45 and 45, the X pattern people, so if you catch me not doing it, don't shoot me or nothing.
Send us mail.
Yeah. Tell the fat kid ain't doing it right.
Diagrams. Diagrams are good.
And then just gotta sand it down and then just bring it into Bob and get his view on it. So I'm trying to just, I don't know how far to go down or how far to scuff. But I mean, there's little, you can see little marks and stuff like that into the plastic, into the paint. So I need to try to blend those out as much as I can, because I mean, I still got to put quite a bit of primer on it. So I mean, how far do you go down? So I think it's just going to be, get it to where I think it's about right, and then show it to Bob and get his take on it. But on this piece here, you can really see where the paint has really started to come through.
Right here?
Yeah, like it's right down that line you can see and along here. So I mean, was it a black primer that's on there? So how far do you sand down into it? So, just here, Tom.
Oh, I know. She's
Going
just loving her
nuts.
bone.
And I talked to him about the broken parts. I don't think it's on this, but I know
Yeah,
it's on that one.
Flip it over. Oh, I thought. Oh.
Yeah, it's because it's on the piece that you got, I believe.
Yeah, it is. This piece, right here.
So I talked to him about that, and he has this special kind of glue that will fix that, basically. So looking forward to that.
Yeah, because not only do we have that, we got the dash to do, and oh, I talked to our local detailer. I did a project for his wife, and he's very excited to have us come in and use some of the cleaning products and bring our stuff in and hang out at his shop for a while. So that'll be fun once we get things all put together and ready for cleaning and show shine.
Yeah. Well, and just to get back into that, because that was a fun job. We both enjoyed that job.
Yeah, it was fun. And we're not going to do it for a career,
For
for
living
sure.
anymore, but
No.
no, I think
Wait, no, you're
that
not done
paper
yet.
is done.
Oh, that paper's done.
Yeah.
Okay.
That paper's done.
'Cause I'm not done getting the decal off of this yet.
Well, there's still quite a bit of other parts that I can do. I was sitting there working at the shop, and I'm doing some work for Bob, and he caused me so much grief because I'm used to doing this myself, so I try to use every single inch of the sandpaper.
Waste not, want not.
Yeah, and so I'm sitting there doing this, and Bob comes over and he's like, "What are you doing?" And I'm like, "Dude, I'm just getting this all sanded." He's like, "If the sandpaper's done, get new sandpaper." So he caused me a little grief and called me a cheap ass.
Well, which is true because we are kind of cheap.
We are.
Can
And
you
I
pass
mean-
me a cloth, please?
Yeah. And I'm all for freaking using these, right? Because they're not expensive, but they're not cheap either.
No.
I mean, it's still up here. There's still quite a bit, like $1.50 a sheet.
Yeah.
So it's not like it's freaking cheap. So I try to use every single piece before I throw it away. And
Apparently that's the wrong thing
yeah,
to do.
apparently Bob said that's not the proper method.
I gotta tell you, Bob knows.
Bob knows things.
He knows things.
So yeah, well, see, I know you can't see that, people. I'm sorry. Maybe if I move it like this really slow,
Yeah, I'm gonna
you can see.
do it again. You can see it. Yep.
Yeah,
Yep. Yep. You can see the difference.
I'm just trying to clean that all up.
Were you looking in the camera too there, Domino? Making sure?
Trying to see if freaking she can be seen or not.
Yep. Yes, sir. Oh, it's been a minute. See, this is a lot more tedious than when I did the hood of the Impala with the razor blade.
I know. Well, yeah, and it's delicate, and you don't want to screw up and jam into the plastic.
Nor do I want to bloodlet either.
No.
You know, rubber gloves give you some protection. I'm not against razor blades, per se.
Yeah.
Boy, did I ever have a lot of fun on that hood. That was a lot of fun.
All the time you save. Boy.
What are you doing, Domino? You looking for the next piece?
We're doing this with the 220 and it really takes a bit to...
Takes a bit to get through, does it?
Yeah, it does.
Remember, you don't want to go all the way through, though.
Well, that's exactly it, right?
Yeah, I figure I might have this one decal off by the time you're done that piece, and then you can laugh at me, because I'm a slow ass.
Well, that's the thing, like how long do you hit this and try to make it happen?
Well, he said just to scuff it up, so I don't know.
Yeah, well, that's
what,
that's the
what
thing,
his
right?
definition of scuffing is.
Yeah. Well, and if it's a bad spot, like, do you scuff it and then take it in and, like, can plastic take? Is there a special, just like the primer, or is there a special putty that you put on plastic?
Yeah, 'cause it's not like you want to use JD Weld.
Yeah.
You know, or filler or whatever.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. Is there a filler that works? Or do you basically have to use the primer to fill the little scratches, sand out the scratches as best you can,
Yeah.
and then use primer to fill that in, and then sand the primer until you get the proper surface?
Well, there is that. All the other concentration on this, I'm telling you what.
I know, right? It's real.
It is real. Should have really went and talked to Paul there this week. Maybe he had some type of solvent to remove the glue with. But I wasn't thinking, and I wasn't feeling well, so I can wait till next week. Yeah, his name is Paul at the detail shop.
At the detail shop, I got you.
I know, you're probably thinking Paul Software Emporium.
No, I was trying to think, because I knew it wasn't going to be Paul Software Emporium, so that's why I was like, Paul.
Oh, cool down.
No, I think we're going to call that piece Check In with Bob.
Yeah, just put that in a pile over there on the wall.
Put that on the pile of Check In with Bob. Okay.
Here, look, I finished.
Oh, yay. Another plastic piece. It's a lot of work, guys.
Yeah.
See why it costs so much, because, yeah, look at that. Oh, man, this thing is pretty.
It's a mess. Enjoy.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I'm a doctor and I need the occasional brow, please, while I'm doing it. Yep, doing a surgery.
There you go.
I'm fat. I work. I sweat. That's just what it is.
You breathe?
Yeah. Why couldn't you have done this, Domino? It would have made it a lot easier, man. Come on, dog.
She forgets her bone outside. Okay, she put that in her mouth, she put it somewhere, and she'd be like, I forgot.
Yeah.
What are you doing? She's underneath the table.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. You want up on the chair? I'll hold it. There you go. Say hi to everybody. Opa. Camera says hi, baby. Say hi. Yeah? Did you help him? Did help him. See, guys, this is our gimmick right here.
Yeah.
She's gonna give us nothing but views. Right? In your contract.
Yeah, that's why we got you. You're gonna be a good working dog?
Don't worry, she gets paid enough in treats.
Oh, yeah.
No, you can't help him. I know, you want to so bad, but you can't. Now, do you believe this piece that I'm working on right now is a fiberglass piece? Am I correct?
I'm not sure, because see?
Huh.
But up here,
Yeah, that's
it
what
feels stiff,
Yeah.
so I don't know.
I don't know either.
That's way above my pay grade.
Oh, is that?
Oh yeah.
You need to raise them.
Oh, you gonna give me a raise? Hey, you see me doing all the work, you're just laying there staring at me.
Upper management.
Yeah. Right, not quick enough, I don't deserve a raise yet.
No. No, should have had all these done already.
Yep.
Oh shit, I think
Should have
I
had
somewhere.
this all done and frickin' had her treat already.
Yep. See, look, we're boring her. Did you see that yawn? Boring her.
Yeah. Yeah.
2 tears.
Yeah, that's right. Go find something to do.
Oh, it's thunderbone. Right where she left it. Gotta be honest with you, this piece is a whole lot easier than that last piece.
Is it?
Yep.